Hi, children! Nandyan yung mga aso ko kasi mayroon silang doctor appointment. O, diba? Here's my two dogs. Where's the other one? Hi, Thor. They're at the back of the car kasi may check up sila ngayon. Yan. Si Thor and Angel, may check up sila ngayon. What kind of medicine they are going to receive today, honey?
The rabies shot, the distemper shot, the Bordella, and probably the influenza.
Okay. May doctor appointment ang dalawa kong anak, si Angel at si Thor. O, di ba, mga anak? Stop, Thor, stop. He's afraid. Ayaw niya nang bumisita sa doktor. That's it. Mainit dito sa loob ng clinic. O kaya yan. Ganyan ang itsura nilang dalawa. Habang hinihintay namin yung doktor. Poor boy and girl. Kasi sa bahay, spoiled kayo, no? The aircon. Hindi, masyado. Yan. Ayan. Dito kami sa ano.
Oh my God! You can't hide in the corner, Thor.
Ano?
You're in trouble now.
Oo.
You're in trouble. The doctor's coming.